First time in this pickup truck. I have a 55 Chevy that I used to do it in, but now we're doing the autocross here. I don't have a chance to drive that anymore.
What year is this?
It's a 69 GMC.
Is this on a Finch chassis?
It is. Yeah.
They just do exclusively C10s?
No, he does anything you want, basically. He's done Corvettes, he's done Monte Carlos. I think he's doing the 61 Impala right now.
Okay. What do those chassis run?
So these, I know the C10s because I bought 2 of them. They're $32,000 for the rolling chassis. That includes brakes, tires,
everything but the body.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And he's out of Nashville?
That's all the good stuff. Yep, he's out of Nashville.
So I'm guessing you enjoy this, huh?
Freaking love it, dude. I did it for 2 years with a Corvette before this, and absolutely just loved it. And then I was on the power tour. I blew up my 55. My buddy brought me my Corvette. We put the 55 in the trailer. I drove the 66 Corvette, which was an autocross car.
Yeah.
And then I autocrossed with them, and they were kicking my ass. And I'm like, I gotta ride in these trucks. I rode in Coleman's truck, which is the maroon one. He was such a nice guy. I said, hey man, hook me up with Finch. He said, all right. So I hooked him up with Finch. He hooked me up with Finch, and 2 years later, I was driving this because it took me 6 months to find this. And then I called Brian. I said, Brian, I'm not a fucking tire kicker. I want to go. You know,
right.
I'm ready to go.
This thing is on rails, brother. What's the biggest limitation? Is it the tire?
I mean, with the 335s, it's really good. It's the weight, I think. It's
okay.
What, you
just
know,
pushes it too much.
Yeah. I mean, this thing weighs 4,200 pounds.
Yeah.
You know, that's with me in it, plus you, and plus a full tank of gas. So, you know, it just adds up quick. So.
I appreciate the ride, man.
Hey, no problem, brother. Thanks for riding.